You're doing what?
Yes.
Water? Now why don't you pour the water from the green bucket into here? Oh ho! Went around. A little more. Hooray!
Look at something's in my stomach.
Something's in your stomach?
Yeah.
Like a bug?
Yeah.
Did somebody bump into it?
Yeah.
What do you suppose it was? Is it there now? Is it all gone?
My food's all gone.
Your food?
My sandwich gone.
I ate that one. You have that one. And when you're done with that one, then I'll make you another one.
You ate. It did all what?
Yeah, I did.
It did all gone.
I did.
It did all gone.
I did.
Look it. It's a ladybug.
Ladybug. Oh, there.
Ooh. It's the ladybug.
We got a picture of the ladybug.
Yeah, you put on your finger.
Oh. You want to put it on your finger? I don't think he wants to go on my finger. There we go. There we go. Hello, little bug.
Hello, little bug. Hello. No.
No?
He's poking.
Well, he's tickling a little bit because he's walking. Oop, there he is.
He's not flying.
Not yet.
He's not flying.
He's not flying.
Down the bug.
What do you want to do with the ladybug?
He's gonna go down.
It's going to go down where?
Here. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Where'd he go?